welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm so excited. I've been doing so many videos. I hope you guys have been enjoying them. The last few have been a lot of my orders that I sent out. I did a couple of plan with me's. The next few that you guys are going to see are going to be Happy Mail. I have been having some Happy Mail for a while now, but because I've had to get those other videos out, it's been kind of just sitting around. But I have, I think, 4 Happy Mail videos coming up, and I'm so excited. So I know a lot of you guys love these unboxing type of videos, and I do too. I'm always excited to see what you guys sent me. So we are going to be unboxing Cynthia's Happy Mail today. She sent me some Happy Mail a little while ago, and I finally get to open it. I've been dying to open it. It's been really hard to have self-control and not open it. But as always, I love to share everything with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. It is a medium-sized box. It is pretty packed. It's super heavy, and oh my gosh, her mail always gets me so excited because she always goes above and beyond for me, and it's just super awesome to see everything that she picks out for me. And everything that she picks out, I definitely try to use more. Everything that you guys send me, I definitely do my best to try to use it. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm trying to go ahead and slice the box open just because my address is on the very top and her address, and I gotta make sure I keep that stuff safe and secure. But yeah, let me know if you guys have been enjoying all the videos I've been putting out. You know, I'm trying to do my best. Here we have the card. It says Ellie. It has a little pizza on it, and then this is what the card looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and read it really quick. Oh my gosh, this says September 2020. Wow. Ellie, new stuff, old stuff, backups. I lose track. Girl, I love you. Enjoy. Keep on creating. Oh my gosh, she is the sweetest. Look at how cute. I love this. And again, I do keep all the cards that you guys send me, so thank you. All right, look at this baby, jam-packed to the top. Oh my goodness, I love that. We're gonna go ahead and start at the top. There's a couple of pens in here. So here we have this set of BIC pens. I think it's called Bic. But we have a blue one and a purple one. Look at how gorgeous these are. I'm definitely always using them, especially these pencils. Oh my god, look at how cute they are. These are gorgeous floral pencils in a blue, like a white, a mint, purple. These are adorable. I love these. I'm always using pencils for whenever I'm creating something. And then here we have some mini notebooks. Look at how cute this is for a baby TN. I love this set of yellow notebooks. It has little stars, hearts, and little gold polka dots. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Oh my god, and she sent me a face mask of a llama. Oh my goodness, I love that. So I've been using those like blue face masks that you can get from like from the doctor's office type of thing, because my boyfriend took my fabric one, and oh my goodness, now I have one and it's llama. That is so cute. I actually want to open it. I want to see like the whole thing. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so thick. I love it. Cynthia, thank you so much. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this one. I love that. All right, then she also sent me an extra bone folder. This is by Martha Stewart. Love that. This looks like a great quality bone folder. I love to use these for when I'm creasing, and it's just so pretty. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I see some pom-poms. Oh my goodness, and they're dangling. All right, look at how fun these are. She is the queen of giving me amazing novelty pens. I have a good collection of pom-pom pens. Look at how gorgeous this one is. It has like that teal color, a baby blue pom-pom, and it has a star with sequins in it. That is so cute. I love this. And then this one has the flamingo. It's all pink, but it hangs like a charm. Oh my goodness, I love that, and it's so soft. It's so cute. Just flew off. But oh my goodness, I love that. It's adorable. And then this blue is amazing. Wow, do you guys see that blue? And it is fluffy. I love that. Thank you so much, Cynthia. All right. Oh, and then she also sent me this. This is a keychain. I can always use this as a planner charm. I can put it on my keys. I can put it hanging on my bags, but it has the little mermaid tail. And this is nice and hard, and it has a blue pom-pom trim, which is my favorite color. And it's just so pretty. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I love that. So next, she sent me a set of notebooks. Oh my goodness, she spoils me. I love this one. This is by Shine Sticker Studio. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I have the matching purse and little like pencil bag. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It says have a magical day, and it has the Shine Studio unicorn and the girl. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. I love that. Here we have this one. I need my space. That's so cute. It's like a kawaii theme. This one says nope, and there's a set of 2. This one has a set of 2 as well. And then over here, this one has a 3 count, and this one, I think this is from the Target brand. This one says, I just need sunshine. This one has a quote, and then the middle one has like florals. So there we go. That's what that looks like. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Alright, next we have another set of notebooks. I love to use these little notebooks for my notes for work. I'm always writing down stuff. This one says lovely things inside, and it's a hot pink with gold. It's so pretty. It has a sturdy cover, but the cover almost feels like soft velvet. It's beautiful. And then here's the lining. I love the lines. I love how bendy it is. That's one of the things I always check for, to see how good it bends. That's beautiful. And then this is the same thing, same type of material. It says make it happen in the light pink and white. Polka dots, absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Alright, next we have another set of notebooks. This one says be happy, be bright. It's by Recollections. And then there's 2 more in there, and they have quotes as well. This is from their spring collection. I love that. I love the size. Super pretty. Alright, next we have a set of stickers by Creative You. I love this. I actually don't have this sticker pack. I have a few of these, but this one I don't have. This is so cute. This is what the stickers look like in the back. Look at how pretty that is. I love it. I can't wait to use it. Alright, next we have, you guys should see how she organizes these. Alright, here we have some little Recollections planner books. These are the ones that I always use for my TNs that I sell. I love using these because they have the planner book, which is like the weekly calendar, the blank that you can customize, and then the polka dot that you can use kind of like a journal type of planner as well. So I love using these, and she has hooked me up with so many, and thanks to her I've been able to create a lot of amazing TNs using all these little bugs. So I always pick these up at Michael's, and they're beautiful. This one has the rock, the unicorn, and then the clouds, and then this one is the unicorn theme. Look at how cute that is. And then this one is the blue with like the water vibe types. So pretty. I love that. Alright, next we have a set of sticky notes. Here we have, look at how pretty this is. I mean, just the cover alone is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love using these. Again, I try to incorporate sticky notes into my TNs all the time, so this definitely comes in handy, even for my planners. Oh my god, this one's so cute. This one says planner's gonna plan. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's by Jot. Wow, it's by Jot from the Dollar Tree, and look at how beautiful these colors are. and it's just a blank notebook, but it does have the crease so you can tear out the page. Really cool. I love this. I love that quote. Alright, so next we have some paper clips. This one is some binder clips. Look at how pretty these are. These are great for when you're taking like pictures and stuff, if you need to hold something down. Just get yourself a lot of pretty type of binder paper clips or just regular clips, and it'll make your picture look even better. But look at how cute these are. They're jumbo size. I love that. Here we have another set of gold paper clips, and this looks like a set of 3, and these are the jumbo as well. I love those. Perfect. Those are beautiful. Alright, next we have adhesive pockets. Yay! Oh my goodness, I love using these in my TNs, and every time I've gone to Target, usually right around back to school time is when they bring out these adhesive pockets. I try to stack up, so I do have quite a bit, but you know, with the rate that I've been using my TN or making my TNs, I'm eventually gonna run low. But she sent me some extras, so I'm excited. I love having extras of everything. This is beautiful. Thank you, Cynthia. You know I will put those to use. Alright, so next we have another set of notebooks. This one is the Live, Laugh, and Love, and it is the 3 combination. Look at these beautiful colors. I love it. I love the size. It's like a pocket size, so I got a set of 2. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Move some of this stuff up a little bit. All right. Okay. So next we have a set of list pads. These are super fun to have. I'm a list pad kind of person. I love doing list pads for like groceries or shopping or like parties or to-do lists. I love doing kinds of lists. So I have a whole bunch. I actually have a few that I've been using, and I love these. These are in blue. This one has like honeycomb pattern. This one has polka dots, and this one just has that solid print at the top. But this is gorgeous. I love it. It's a set of 3, and you get a ton. It is so heavy. I love it. Alright, next we have another set of novelty pens. These are so cute. These are the burgers and the fries. Look at how cute that is. I love these. So fun. Alright. Then we have some washi tape. We have 4 sets of washi tape. And here we have this one. This one is like a coffee theme. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. And then here we have this one. This one's the avocado, the taco, the drink, which almost looks like, what do you call it? A Bloody Mary. And then look at that piñata llama right there. So cute. I love that. Alright, next we have another one. This one just has like little, it's almost like a kawaii Hello Kitty type of theme. It has little kittens and little tigers, and so cute. I love that. Hopefully you guys can see. And this is the gummy bear one. How cute is that? And I have the matching stickers, so that's awesome. I can create a whole little spread. I love that. Alright, next we have another lip smacker. Yay! This one is Elsa. This is mine. She sent this to me in my last box, I want to say. This is the Ariel one. And I've been using it a lot. I keep it in my purse, and I love it. It feels so nice on the lips. So now I have the matching one. As you can see, it's a set of 2. And this is Elsa. That's so cute, and it's in blue. I love it. Thank you. Alright, next we have a set of paper pack. Oh wow, this is so cool. There's a lot of different paper sizes, a lot of different patterns, prints, colors. It even has like different textures. Wow, this is so cool. I love that. Thank you so much. I love that. Alright, then we have, oh my goodness, okay. We have gems and sticker pop-ups. So cute. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. These are like a pastel color. It has like pinks and purples and greens. And that is so cute. I love those. And then you got the smaller ones. So pretty. And then the heart bling in red, blue, and silver. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. I love these. So cute. Alright, then we have some stickers. Alright, we have some alphas right here. This is an alpha sticker book and it has blue, green, red, black stickers and numbers. Super cute. And then we have a set of butterflies and flowers. This is beautiful. I love the colors. So pretty. And then we have unicorns and rainbows. This is gorgeous. I love that. Not today. So cute. And then this one's absolutely gorgeous. This is kind of like a jean theme or denim theme. Look at how cute that is. Wow, I love that. So pretty. And then here we have like a little sticker book. And this one just has, oh, this is the back. So it has like decorative stickers. It has the dates. And then it has functionals. And then it has like the calendar. Super cool. It's like a little sticker book. How awesome. Alright, and then lastly we have larger stickers. Look at how cute these ladybugs are. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Do you see all the sparkles? Set of butterflies. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last one is little dogs. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love that. I love the colors. So pretty. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's everything she sent me. Cynthia, thank you so much. I absolutely loved it all. I can't wait to dig into this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give Cynthia a big shout out in the comments down below. Let her know how amazing she is. I love you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check me out on my Instagram. All information is linked down below in my description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!